Welcome back, guys. Coyote Racing here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm filming off the DSLR. Why am I filming off the DSLR? Well, probably because I want better quality. It really matters. The GoPro might have to stop right now and just do time lapse because that's not that good. But moving on, we got got an engine stand, 750 pounds. This motor with transmission and accessories supposedly weighs 420. That's what I read. I don't know. I still have to, but that's the first thing I saw, so I don't know yet. I'll probably look up, actually start going in. So we got, I don't know, we got a compatible stand, easy to maneuver, compact. Compact. That definitely says compact. All right, and it moves 360. I'm gonna open it brand new. It's $50 on Harbor Freight. The guy on Facebook sold it to me, 55, and I'm like, okay. It was there, so I was like, you know what? I'll just pay you $55 because of tax. I'm like, oh, whatever. It's brand new, so okay. So let's get started. First thing we're doing today is I need to literally clean everything. Look at this mess. Look at this mess. We got stuff under the car, motor's fully out. What is this mess? Cannot do anything here. Transmission, literally, I have to open up the transmission. So, literally, I'm gonna put that tire on, drop the dang car, push it back a couple feet, and start moving stuff to the back of the house. Start moving stuff that I don't need. Have a nice table where I can start disassembling this block. And the head's literally right here. What is going on? The jack literally got kind of stuck there. Alright, now first I want to build this. Well, the holes it will bolt up to will be this one, and this one. So I literally come over here in my little screw thing, and I'm like, alright, I need to find this bolt side. It's going to be hard. So I grab this one, first one, and I'm like, alright, well, let's see if it goes in. And all of a sudden, I'm like, what in the world? First bolt I grab, it fits. So tomorrow I'm going to AutoZone, buying 3 of these so I could bam, 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 mount it on there. And mount it on the thing. Perfect. Alrighty. And everything's loose, but I'll tighten it afterwards. Alright. You guys ready?
No. It's like a penis. Just slide into a vagina.
1, 2, 3. Damn! Oh,
down. What, dude? Okay, got everything in our fucking way. Pick it up and pick it up and.
It has a hook right here.
Does?
My side does.
Hey, mine does too.
Oh, it does?
Well, it's enough.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, damn. Jump your finger. Seth, push. Go. Oh. Woo. Shit. Wait.
I got it, buddy. You good?
Ah, fuck. Damn, you're fucking We're good. We're good.
We're good? You good, bro?
Oh, fuck.
Woo! I'm sorry, buddy. You alright?
My hands are sweating. Look at this. I got a bolt.
Alright, hold on.